I mean, y'all see what I'm looking at, right? Hello everybody, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Adriana, where I do lifestyle reviews and DIYs, and today I am going to be doing a review. So as you can see by today's title, I'm going to be reviewing a wig by Queen Weave Beauty. Before we get started, if you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It really helps me out a lot. Leave a like down in the description and let me know what you think. I know the video hasn't started, but you know, maybe you can leave 2 comments, who knows. Thank you to QWB or Queen Weave Beauty for sponsoring this video. I really appreciate it. Despite this being a sponsored video, I am always very honest, so let's get into it. I've held on to this wig for a while and I'm very excited to try it out. So yeah, I am really excited. I'm going to just show you the natural state of the wig. Right now there are no ring lights. I'm literally just sitting directly in front of my window with the blinds open. And yeah, so first of all, I like to review things in detail. The box, so cute. So the box comes with this really nice gold detailing along with the palm tree design, and the back also comes with these palm tree outlines, which I really love, and all their details and their socials down here below, which I appreciate. So also the box does come with an after sales service card, and it gives you care instruction, especially if you're like new to wig. This is gonna be my first time having a wig like this. I've had natural hair clip-ins, but I don't believe that they were human hair. So this is definitely gonna be my first time with a wig of this texture that's human hair. So care instructions are really important to me because I don't wanna mess it up. So this is a Brazilian kinky curly U-part wig with, and it's 18 inches long with a small wig cap because I've got such a tiny little head. Ooh, oh, now that's a wig. I'm gonna zoom in a little bit closer so you can get a better view. And mind you, again, this is the natural color that it comes in. As you can see, it's like a brownish. It's got like a little bit of red tones to it, which I really do love. Since it is a U-part, I'm probably going to dye it to match my leave out. Like a darker brown close to black, not exactly black, but yeah, just a little bit darker so it can match my undertones in my hair. Now that, oh my gosh, yeah, now that is a wig. Do you see how dense this is? Like, I wish you could feel how dense this is. And once again, the details are here on the tag inside of the wig as well. In case you all are interested in this, this is 18 inches all the way around. Y'all, it has a strap in the back. We love wigs with straps in the back. I don't know if you can tell, but it has the silicone jelly type of thing to make sure that it doesn't slide around on your head. So it also does have the little bra straps on the inside to clip the tightness. It does have the clips so that they can, you know, lock into your head for extra security. The construction of this wig is absolutely impeccable. Like, oh my gosh. So once again, here is the curl pattern. And once again, absolutely no lighting changes. I did not increase the saturation, the brightness, or anything like that. This is the natural color of the wig. And here is a texture shot. Oh my gosh. This is what my real hair is supposed to look like. And this is the lace. I don't think I showed that, but it's gonna get cut out anyway. I've never had a U-part wig either. So this is like a first time for a kinky wig and the first time for a U-part wig. So I'm definitely curious how this is gonna go. So like I said, I am going to dye it, and I will include that process as well so you can see what the dyeing process looks like with this wig and give you all a try on afterwards. Okay, so I'm back and now I'm going to put it on. Full disclaimer, if you've been here for a while, you know I don't have a lot of hair. So I don't have a lot of hair. I don't have a full head of hair, and I do have a lot of breakage, but that is exactly why a U-part wig is everything that I want, everything that I need. So I'm gonna put this wig cap on. So what I do is I just leave a little bit out. There are 5 here in the top, as you can see, and 1 in the nape. Now it's not going anywhere, okay? Wait, I don't like middle parts, but I look kind of good. Okay, so I had to play around with it a little bit, but I do suffer from a very, very dry scalp. I just washed my hair and it's already flaking, so I do use the Hello, I'm back, and as you can see, put my makeup on so like we could really get the full illusion of what this hair is giving when you're also giving. And I put on a second scarf just to kind of lay the part more. Let's find out what it's giving together. I'm nervous. Okay. Does this not look like this hair belongs to me? I mean, y'all see what I'm looking at, right? I'm absolutely obsessed. And like, I was planning on wearing a straight wig. It's my birthday weekend. By the time that you watch this, I will have already celebrated. But I was planning on wearing the wig that I opened with, but I don't know, this is kind of giving like what it's supposed to give. I'm super duper pleased. This is, as I've probably mentioned at least 6 times in this video now, that this is my first U-part wig. I was nervous because I do have thinner, finer, natural 4C hair. I didn't know, and my hair is obviously not 18 inches like this wig is, so I didn't know how it would blend. I didn't really get to talk to you all about the quality of this hair after dyeing it, but as you can see, I'll give you a close-up texture shot, but as you can see, literally looks exactly the same. I'm not gonna comb it out just yet because I'm just gonna have fun with this style. I don't usually get to see myself with like, you know, really defined curls like this, but once I want to see it a little bit more froey, I will just kind of lightly comb it out with a pick or just kind of spray and detangle it a little bit more so it could be a little bit fuller. So definitely, again, I want to shout out for Queen Weave Beauty. As you can see, I can't even stop looking at myself. I am obsessed with the way that this wig looks on me. And in case you missed them at the beginning, I'll go over all the details right now about the wig, the company, and just everything that they have to offer. If you're ever curious, this is the link. It is a pre-made U-part wig made with 3 bundles of hair. So this is 3 bundles worth of hair, and it is 18 inches, as I did mention before. The hair care instructions, I love that it gives you brands that they recommend on the hair care instructions, the way that you should, brands that you probably shouldn't use, or products that you shouldn't use on the hair. I feel like that just shows that they took the time to understand the hair that they're producing and sending out to people, to like remain the integrity that it has so far. And you saw how nice it looked straight out the box. So I highly recommend paying attention to the hair care instructions that come with whatever unit you decide to purchase. And if you're ever curious, this came to me in I think about 3 days, but on average, I looked through their website and it looks like it's about 7 to 8 days that you can expect to get your unit. And it's not just the U-part wigs that they have, of course. So that is it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. I am so happy that I got to finally sit down in front of my camera and just talk, and give a review of this lovely wig. If you haven't already, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, a comment, and of course subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell so you can get notified whenever I post a video. And I will see you in the next video.